Well, we made it, guys. We are here at Cagle's Diner. So we're going to go in here and give it a try. So come on in with us. There, I guess we walk in the side door. And there's the school across the street. So let's go see what they got. Ready, Vic?
Let's go.
Oh, by the way, I got a beef to pick. Something like that. But anyway, where's she been the last 3 days? I've been working my bones to the fingers, or the fingers to the bones, and look, where's she been?
You've been grounded. I've been out with my sisters.
That ain't right, is it? That's just, I'm just going to tell you guys, that ain't right.
Yeah, it's okay.
Anywho, so let's go get something to eat. Ready?
Yep, let's go.
Looks like that's going to be me. I ain't had country fried steak and white gravy in a long time. We're going to try it out. It's a super nice place here. I like the way it looks. Old country. Well, guys, sorry, but we had to get the same thing. It looks pretty good. So she got country fried steak and gravy, mashed potatoes. She didn't get gravy on her taters. I don't know what's wrong with her, but she got toast and greens. And I got pretty much the same thing. But I'm smart. I got the gravy, the fried okra, and peppers and onions. And I'm glad I got this one. You can have your old thing.
I want my old plates.
Huh?
I want my old plates.
I'm gonna let Vicky do the honors.
No.
Go ahead. Yep. What you think, dear?
That is good. That is really good.
I like the milk gravy too. That's pretty good.
I like the milk gravy too.
Well, it ain't that I don't believe her, folks, but
You gonna try it for yourself?
I'm gonna have to try it myself. Yeah. Yep, this fried okra is pretty good.
Thank you. You have a blessed day, Boo.
I'll do it. I'll try this fried okra. You're welcome. Oh yeah, fried okra's good. That's very good. Yep. They were right. You're all right. You guys, like I said, you guys smarter than we are. You guys know where to go. So this is pretty good. I'll tell you what, with these peppers and onions on that country fried steak and that white gravy, now you look at this. You know, all that right there. And if I ain't mistaken, I gotta look it back up. I think it was like $9.99 on the menu. Folks, you can't beat that. I don't care. Go to McDonald's. It's ridiculous. Yeah. So you're not going to get this down here in the country cooking. I'm telling you. Not at McDonald's. Whew.
That is good.
I wonder if we can come back for dinner. Whew. I like that. Thank y'all for inviting us to come up here. You guys got some good food. And it's not far out of Seagrove. When we got off the bypass on 74, we got on 705 and come through Seagrove. It was just a few miles down the road. It wasn't far.
No.
We went through a little town called, ready for this? Why not? That's the name of the town. Why not? Why shouldn't it? Why not it be called Why Not? I don't know.
Come on now, look at some pottery.
Yeah, they got tons of pottery and sea grove
Yep.
all around the town. We're gonna have to do that because we did that before.
Yeah.
So I think we'll be back here. Well, guys, you know how I like to eat. I can't finish it all. That's different. Whew. But that was really, really good. Extremely good. I don't know any bigger words, but it was good. How was yours? Well, we know how yours was. I got you out your mouth full, didn't I? I love what I do. That's what she gets for leaving me, making me do chores. Gosh. Guys, you've seen all that food we got. Are you kidding me right now? Where can you go for that? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. Cagle Diner. And that's a good place right there.
Yes, plenty of places
Y'all.
to sit.
Y'all need to come on down and try this place. I'm not lying, guys. This place is awesome and cheap.